Hi, I'm in a 2011 Honda Civic. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life after you have changed the oil. First, you want to put in the key in the ignition and turn it to the second position. Right before you turn on the car is the position you want to be in. Next, if you're not in the oil life menu yet, you want to come over here to the left and press the select reset button until you get to this menu that says oil life. Then you want to press that select reset button and hold it for 10 seconds. When the oil life starts flashing or the whole menu starts flashing, let go the button and then press it again for another 5 seconds. And it resets back to 100%. Thank you for watching.